Good morning, guys. Digging out some palisade. We're already cracking away with the It's too windy, isn't it?
Good morning, everyone. Start of another week. I think I alluded to last week. Very busy couple of weeks for us coming up into the school. Easter holidays now. Leeds have broken up this week, so we're over at a school in Leeds, Royd School. We've done various works here before. We're here to actually straighten some steel palisade that they've got some existing they've had for years. It's all fallen over in the wind. And then we've got some 1.2 metre roll top fencing to do. So yeah, very busy period. And then next week Bradford break up, so we've got 2 or 3 schools, and maybe 4 schools, I can't remember now, to do within like 2-week period over in Bradford. So yeah, very busy. Anyway, smash that like button and we'll follow on as we do these installs and repairs. Thank you.
So we're over in Leeds today, LS26 at Royd School, just straightening up and digging out some palisade. And yeah, we're just digging out and straightening. I'll show you what they're on with. We've got a new mixer today. After 4 years, finally give up life. So what we'll be doing is we'll be straightening it all out, digging it all out, as you know, they've already started here. The wind is really bad, so it's sending the camera all over, unfortunately. As you can see how slanted it is there. They've already been digging and cementing these ones and straightening them out. So everybody's on site, including Boss Mark.
Good afternoon, people. Got Baggy's lad here on Irish Tumble Dryer. What channel's it on, Brandon? We've had to get digger out back of that fence, as you can see, because we're digging round posts and putting like a semi-dry mixing ballast. We've dug like a moat round the post. This has been a nightmare over here. We've had to get digger behind there and pull all this brash back.
With what's going on, got a few jobs to do today. We need to pick up some more palisade for a job next week. We've got a delivery coming of more stock for the mesh. The wind caught it that much it turned my camera off. Right, we're going to get off, guys, and we'll leave them to it. Good morning. So we've had a busy morning this morning. Lads are over, we loaded them up this morning. Lads are over at Royd School in Leeds. It should be the last day, straightening up the old palisade, digging out the holes and just re-straightening and make sure it's, you know, not going to fall down anytime soon. Tomorrow they're going to be at Royd School again. Now they're going to be starting on the roll top mesh in green. They've got around 75 metres of that to do, including, you know, full system basically. Roll top mesh is just a, you know, smaller size, and it's without the spikes on top, so, you know, the kids can't really, you know, hurt themselves by climbing on it. But yeah, it's been a busy morning. We've got a nice big delivery of stock coming this week to replenish what we've sold and what we've used. At the minute, Mark's just on an appointment. He's just going down to, I believe it's Valley Road for an appointment. One of Mark's, someone he's met through his networking, who's actually cleaning the van. So obviously if you're interested, he'll come out to your site and get that cleaned. He's just cleaning it all up, doing all insides, and then give it a nice clean on outside. But yeah, I've been organising the yard before he got here, just to make sure all this is in the right place, all the posts are accounted for before the new stock arrives and it's added on to the stock list. We've had the lads next door come over, delivered them their gate this morning. Obviously if you need gates as well, we can get you the gates, mesh gates. But yeah, this is actually the roll top mesh just here in this white wrapping, what the lads are going to be taking tomorrow for the job. We are extremely busy. Wait times at the minute, you know, 5 to 6 weeks. Obviously, with it being school holidays, we do a lot of schools in the school holidays. So we tend to be always busy in school holidays with schools what request us. Getting the website rebuilt as well. So the website will have a store on it where you can look at all your items and, you know, anything that we do stock or sell. It's going to include, you know, your small nuts and bolts to fish plates to palisade to mesh to gates. So I reckon another couple of weeks, fingers crossed, and that'll all be up and running, and you'll be able to have a look at what we can offer you in there.
Just taking another delivery of some stock here. Just keep us going for this job. We have Spartan Cleaning, Simon from the EBA, and he's on with this. Look.
Morning.
Morning, Simon. Looks very fancy. All this machinery he's got. I've no idea what it does.
All it is basic steam cleaner. Apply a steam. Surfaces, breaks down all your bacteria. Use a nice scrubber. Gets in there. And then we wipe it down with microfiber.
Very good. I've got to say, I don't think I've cleaned this car since I've had it about 5 years, but there you go. This is why this one's here.
The main thing is your steering wheel. Your average steering wheel holds 4 times more dirt and bacteria than a public toilet. So just bear that.
Good bit of kit that, isn't it? Look at that. Oh yeah.
Obviously you put your vents on, you don't want all your crap blown into your face.
Yeah, so just at Royd's here, as you can see, the lads have been installing this here behind me. You see it? Nice roll top fencing coming down. Difference between this, I'm stood in the sunshine here, need my shades, and then where the lads are working, look, it's about 5 degrees colder here, the wind's coming straight across, and they're in the background there, look, and it's freezing, so I think I'll get back in the sunshine here. Lovely. I think there were about 75 metres of this. Like I say, it's just to stop the kids coming out of here and running onto the field. You'll see as you get down here, a bit more muddy. Although we did have some utility guys putting new pipes in here, so good job we knew where that were going. So they've literally done it this week ahead of us. Yeah, so I think it just runs out. Does it just go wet vanish somewhere, Baggett? Alright. So yeah, we're just running it out to down there somewhere. Good morning, Friday morning, so another week gone like that it seems, but So, as you can probably see just behind me, the sun is actually shining today, and we've had some bad weather again this week. It's literally hailed, rained, really windy, 40-50 miles an hour, and unfortunately for my guys, they've been in the middle of a field at Royd School, which you'd probably hopefully seen in the footage. And anyway, they've managed to get it up, so dangers averted. But hopefully you like this video. If you like what you see, smash the button. And just a little bit of reflection for me today. We're actually a year since I got out of hospital today after nearly dying of COVID. So here's to a year. I'm still here. Thank you.